NetSkeme Plus users can save symbols and model data to a personal custom library called My Library. There are several ways to save symbols and data to My Library. First, let's save a symbol from this drawing into My Library. Right-click on the symbol and select Edit Model Data. The Property Manager for the symbol will open. In the Property Manager, you can make any changes you want to this symbol's data. You can fetch model data from the library, add or delete properties, or manually enter model data. For now, let's just save the symbol and data as is. Select Save to My Library, and your custom library will open up in the Library Explorer. New NetSkeme Plus users will find just one folder in their library, but you can create and organize new folders as needed. Let's create a new folder and save our symbol there. Now, you can see the symbol and associated model data has been saved in My Library. Now, let's try saving a symbol from NetSkeme Supplied Data. First, open up NetSkeme Supplied Data. Navigate to your desired symbol. Right-click on the symbol and select Open Property Manager. Once again, you can make any changes you want to the model data here, but for now, let's just save this symbol without data. Now let's try saving a symbol along with model data to My Library. Return to NetSkeme Supplied Data and choose a model code. You'll see that the symbols filter down to show just those associated with this model code. Right-click on the symbol and open up the Property Manager. Once again, you can make any needed changes to the model data before saving. Let's save this symbol to the same folder as before. Now, you can see both symbols saved here, along with the model code associated with the second symbol. You may have also noticed this Link to My Library option when we right-click on a symbol in the Library Explorer. Linking a symbol or model data to My Library creates a pointer from your library to the chosen data in NetSkeme Supplied. This saves on storage space in My Library, and it also ensures that when updates are made to NetSkeme Supplied data, any links in My Library will be updated as well. Linked symbols and model codes are denoted in My Library with the link symbol. Finally, you can save custom symbols created in Build Symbol mode into My Library. Creating and saving custom symbols is covered in another video.